Hey guys, Luke here. Just thought I'd take a quick moment to introduce you to my new car. It's a CLK500, Mercedes-Benz 5-litre V8. Took this thing for a test drive, instantly fell in love. And yeah, I just thought I'd give you a quick little intro before we start the video, just showing you how to quickly install some K&N flat panel air filters. Cheers guys, enjoy. Guys, nice and easy. Grab this front section here, it's actually separate. Grab underneath the front, lift it up, and slide it back towards you. There's a couple of little slide brackets there that have to come this way. Just move him aside. Now this big section at the back here, you've got these two air intake pipes. If you lift this underneath the pipe, it'll disconnect the front. No clips. Then if you grab the front section, just underneath where the pipes join on, lift up. Give it sort of a bit of a hardish quick yank, and then it'll dislodge from the MAF sensor at the back. It's nice, lift straight up. Star torque bit. I just use a 1/4-inch ratchet. And then you've got four bolts on each side. 5-litre Mercedes unfortunately takes 2 air filters, one on each intake, or one on each side. Here you got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Already loosened up all the other 3. I should just lift straight up. Flip it upside down. Get your stock air filters. Ooh, it's like I should take those out nice and straight. Doesn't actually look that bad, but there is dirt in there. And if you look inside here, you can see all the leaves and crap that have all been built in. I'm just going to give that a nice little quick wipe out before I put in the new K&N air filters. It's just the same. Already loosened off most of these. Here we have the new K&N flat panel filters. I'm going to give you a couple of free stickers and little advertisements and whatnot, and helpful tips on installing and cleaning and maintaining a new K&N air filter. Put that box over there. Fairly simple. They're already open, right? These have already been pre-oiled. I always tell because there's oil on them. Nice little amount. Literally drop straight in. Do the piece that you've taken off. Make sure it's really nice and even. Pushed in all the way around. Push it upside down. And quite simply line up those screws and just do the reverse of before. Tighten up all 4. Been using these K&Ns for a long time, lots of my different cars, and I definitely noticed a difference in sound, and obviously there's a slight difference in performance. Line up the top corner here to the back where the MAF sensor is. You sort of feel it dropping. There's 2 little bungs here and here. Also drop down, and then I just do a quick little tap the backs, both sides, straight down. And then these front pipes, the front intake pipes, slip straight back over the top. No clips. Just got to line them up nicely. Don't force anything. will go nice together, back together nice and easy. And remember this one here, drop down, so those two slip in. Remember not to force anything. Thanks guys, I look forward to bringing out more videos with this car, little maintenance videos, oil changes and bits and pieces, and hopefully some performance mods. Cheers guys, have a good one.